Hi guys, today we are solving the 29th days problem of March LeetCoding Challenge 2021. The problem's name is Flip Binary Tree to Match Preorder Traversal. This problem is fairly simple. To understand, we are given a binary tree and we need to match its preorder traversal. If it is possible, we have to return the elements that we need to swap while matching. If it is not possible, we return a list with -1 in it. Let's see the problem statement. You are given the root of a binary tree with n nodes, where each node is uniquely assigned a value from 1 to n. You are also given a sequence of n values voyage, which is desired preorder traversal of the binary tree. Any node in binary tree can be flipped by swapping its left and right subtrees. Only the left and right subtrees can be swapped, but not level-wise. Not from another levels. For example, flipping node 1 have the following effects. If we swap node 1, which means if we swap 1, so the whole right subtree becomes the left subtree becomes the right subtree. Flip the smallest number of nodes so that the periodic traversal of the tree matches voyage. Return a list of values of all flipped nodes. You may return the answer in any order. If it is impossible to flip the nodes of the tree to make the preorder traversal match voyage, return -1. I found out a GIF to explain the preorder traversal. So if we are given a tree 1, 2, 4, 5, 3, 5, 3, 6, so this is how a preorder traversal is calculated. The stack, first we go through 1. Let's read for it to begin again. Yeah, so 1 is push the stack first, then 2, then 4, then we remove 4, then we put 5, then we remove 5, then we put 3, then we remove 3, we put 6, and then we remove everything and print everything. We need to print the node first, then the left subtree, then the right subtree. So that is how we go. Let's try to solve the problem. For this, we will create a global variable I, and then we will create an array list which we will return with all the answers, I'm sorry for the disturbance, but I hope you understand. New array list. Now we will check after passing it to a function called DFS. Whatever we have, if it is true, then we return swap, which will contain all the elements that need to be swapped, or else we will make another list of integer called decline, and we will add -1 to decline and then return decline. Here we are checking if swapping is possible or not while passing it to DFS. If it is possible, we return swap, which has all the elements that need to be swapped. If not, we return an array list with just -1 in it, as it is mentioned in the question. Somewhere here, yeah, return the list with -1 in it. Now we'll declare a function boolean with boolean value return type with boolean return type called DFS. We will pass the tree node root in it, int voyage, and list of integer swap. Let's put it here as well. Root voyage and swap. Now here comes the main part of the solution. If the node If the root node equals to null, we simply return true because we have nothing left to compare. We've compared everything as we're solving this through recursion. So we'll pass it again and again. If it reaches root equals to null, which means we have passed everything. Now L instead of that, so we'll do another if root dot val is not equal to voyage of I, then we simply return false. But if that is not true, if it is matching with voyages I, then we do I++. As it is a global variable, it will increment and the value will change for real, even in this function and even here, for the whole function itself, for the whole program itself. Now we'll check if left side of the root is not equal to null, and then root dot left dot val is not equal to voyage of I, then we will add swap dot add root dot val, the value of the tree which needs to be swapped. Now we will have to do the recursion part here. Now we'll pass root dot write first, then voyage, and then the tree, and then swap. And we also need to do it on the left side of the tree. So let's just, sorry for the spelling error. Root dot left, swap. Now for the else part, we'll do reverse, which means we will do left first and then the right part. And this is it. Let's see if this works. Okay. Yes, it works. Let's try to submit it. And it is accepted. I hope you guys understood. I'll see you again tomorrow. Thank you.